So you saw me torch, and I do have another video on that if you need to know like more details, because that was kind of quick. I'll show you a few techniques now. Alright, I have my water here and a couple different just paper towels, the stronger type, so I could just squirt it on them. Oops. That's okay. Before we start, we're going to water this down. I feel like it helps the spit soak in better. And you can mix, which I'm going to do. Mix some colors up and create your own. I don't want to waste any, so I use every little bit. Going for like a purple. I do have this sparkly purple, but I don't have any like a non-sparkle purple. It's a little too blue, so you just add a little more red. Until you get the color you want. So you don't need a lot of spit, so I'm going to just go like this. Save that blue, maybe use it. Now that's too much on your paintbrush. So try to get it out or blot it off. So just go up and follow your grains. In the beginning, I'll move the camera back, but in the beginning I'm just going to try to keep it close so you can see what I'm doing. You just go back and forth. If it's not exactly in the grain, as long as it looks like it is, making a grain pattern, you're good. Just a little water over there. Go on the edges here. Get your other colors ready. You don't need full strength. I don't know if you could see here, but the little bristles come out of this paintbrush, and I'm going to ditch it. That's going to cause me more work later on. Not about more work, so. Best trick is to not leave any little line hanging. Just go back and make it bigger if you have to, if you made a little mistake. It'll just make it look like clean lines and like you meant to do it. Take it down and a closer look. Now that you see kind of how it goes on, I'm going to move it up a little bit. With spit, it looks duller, but then when you seal it, wow, that's when it really pops. You have to seal it with an oil-based sealer, or like I've done in some of my videos, I spray paint it first with a clear spray paint. I would also suggest, see the lighter parts of the natural wood? Leave it. Do not do all of it, because that helps the dimensions and it helps it pop too. Once you seal it, you'll see. It's kind of good to go over some of the darker areas too, because then it has that, it looks like a 4th, 5th color. I just mixed the jasmine scented spit. Can't remember if they're still doing that. This is the old brew, the original. Oh, so nice. This is Navajo Jewel, and I wasn't getting the exact look I liked, so I mixed it with a little bit of the light blue, which is Zia Teal. And if it seems like a lot, do a little bit one day, and do a little bit the next day. And once you get into your rhythm, it's actually like meditation, and it's so nice. And sooner or later, your project will be done, and you thought, oh my gosh, I thought that would take forever. As you can see by my picnic table video I have there, if you want to take a second while you're watching this and like this video, it really helps my rankings, and so other people can see it and learn more about spit, and it also helps me, and I can do larger, bigger projects to show you. This is Pixie Punk Pink. I love it. I use it all the time. That's why I gotta get my new bottle here for this video. It is quite a bold pink, I have to say. They do have, can't remember the name of it, but a white unicorn spit. I don't have one. I forgot to grab a little cup of water. Rinse out your things. Look at that pop. Let's do another one. I think right in here. Thicker. You don't want them to be all the same thickness, because it will just not look like real wood. let's try to add a little zeotile in here. Needs a little, maybe one more thing in there. I'm not sure what color to do. I think it's this green. It needs more of this green. Now I'll do the sides and then spray paint and then seal. Now we can go on to technique number 2.